Alright, so on this account you can see that I have $10.57 over here, and I have add balance of $10.57. But all I need to do right now is to click on this section where it says complete offer. I will have to close this tab and come to the section where it says please don't close this page, sorry, recording your visit. So I just have to wait for this countdown to finish, and right after that I'm going to receive money into my account. So let's get down to today's business. But before then, welcome back to my channel once again. My name is Rich Wonder. Welcome back to Online Access Academy. On this channel I teach people how to make money online, CPA marketing and affiliate marketing. So if you're new to this channel and if you are interested in making money online, kindly subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop an amazing video like what you're about to watch right now, YouTube will send notification instantly, guys. So let's get down to today's business. So all you need to do is to close this tab and hit on skip over here, and now you can see that my account has been credited with another 67 cents. But all I need to do is to go and again and watch this ad over here. So you are just making money with by watching ads on this platform, and these ads are from Google themselves. So it's very easy and very legitimate, and anybody at all can do it. So let's watch this, and all you need to do is to wait for this countdown over here to finish, and right after that you're going to account is going to be credited some money, as simple as that. So it's very easy, and anybody at all on the internet space can do this, and this is the simplest way to make money online. So I'll take you straight to the sign up process and show you how you can withdraw your money. I'll take you straight to everything step by step, so just watch the video from start to finish, and at the end section I will show you a bonus trick on how you can maximize your profit on this platform, and simple as that. So most people are very curious about how to withdraw their money, so I'll come to the section where it says withdraw over here to show you the simplest steps and the payment required for the payment system for you to withdraw your money. So you can see if you want to pay PayPal, they have $100 PayPal and $70. So the minimum withdrawal on this platform is $70. So as soon as you reach $70, you can withdraw this money into your account. So they have gift cards and Western Union over here if you are living in Africa, and if your bank account is not working for you, you can use Western Union, and they're going to deposit this money into your Western Union account, and you're going to give you the details for you to go and withdraw your money. So you have Skrill over here. So if you want me to show you a simplest way to make money, how to pay to create a Skrill account, I have that video. I will drop it on my channel to show you how you can create a Skrill account and payer, and you have PayPal over here. So these are the payment methods on this platform, and as easy as that. So let's go back to the dashboard and show you. So I will just quickly log out of this account and show you how you can sign up to this account. So I'll just close this tab and come to the section where it says log out, and log out of this account. So what you need to do right now is to hit on this sign up button over here, and the easiest thing you need to do is to just fill in your full name over here, your email address, your password, and your date of birth. And you must to keep this server account over here, the server member server over here. Just have to keep it over here, and simple as that. So this is very simple, and you don't have to go to any process to confirm your Gmail account. So all you need to do is to come to the section where it says login after creating your account, and the server member over here is number 2 on my account. So I'll just have to log in and hit on remember over here, and just have to sign in to this account again, and you can see my account is still intact. So I'll just have to click on this, and right after that just wait for this section. Just have to close it and just wait for it to read the countdown over here. So just wait for this ad to load, and after loading my account is going to be credited with the cents over here. So you're just making about $2.49 each and every $2 each and every day, and you have to watch this ad for just 24 hours, and after 24 hours you can come back to this platform, and you're going to see this same ad on this platform, and just have to watch it. So after your account has exceeded the 70 minimum withdrawal of $70. You can withdraw this money into your account. So you can see, you just have to hit on skip over here, and simple as that. You can see over here that my account has been credited. So I just have to watch the last ad in order for me to receive my earnings on this platform. Just have to watch this last ad over here for the day, and then my ad will show completed over here. So I'll earn every 24 hours $2 for every 24 hours, but I'll show you the bonus trick that you can use to maximize your profit on this platform, and anybody at all can do this. It's very easy and very legitimate. Sorry, I can't guarantee you that it's legitimate because the payment will vary. So I will show you the simplest step where you can make money online. So continue or go ahead by subscribing to the channel, like the video as well, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop one amazing video like what you're watching right now, YouTube will send notifications instantly, guys. So the countdown has finished, so I'll just have to hit on skip over here, and you can see I've earned $2.49 for the day. And simple as you can see over here, the countdown, it says as you come back after 22 hours 48 minutes and 30 something seconds. So you can see over here. And the bonus trick on this platform is to go to the section where it says invite over here. So I have to hit on invite to show you the trick that you can use. So you can see you can earn when your friend accepts your invitation, and also your friend will earn $10 for registering. So you earn $1 for each person that you refer to this platform, and if for each person you're going to earn $1. So you just have to copy this and go to your social media platforms and promote this to people on your social media platforms. And right after getting people, if you get 49 people or 50 people to join you for the day, that means you're going to make a simple $50 as that, and your friend is also going to make $10 each for accepting your invitation. So it's very easy, and that is it. So don't forget to like the video and turn on the bell icon. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop one amazing video like this, YouTube will send notification. And don't forget that to catch me live on every Saturday, that I'm going to be live on this platform to show you the simplest trick that how I use to promote my CPA offer. So bear in mind that every Saturday I'm going to run a free live video on this channel to show you simple steps that I use in promoting my CPA offers. So that is it. And guys, thank you very much for your time, and don't forget that I do love you guys. Bye bye for now. Stay safe and peace out. See you in my next video.